guys, we're searching a creature. What is that?
Correct. The SCP-009 and run.
You know what is the computer?
Run, sir. It's dangerous out there. SCP-009 also attack people. SCP-009 also a seaweed flying pink. Be careful to those creature SCP-009.
Yes. Ano? Okay guys, so I put it in the car and put it alive because I want to keep it as a pet. Okay guys, this right here is the movie
SCP-085, also known as slimy fur
Harry
wiggling thing.
creature.
But SCP-035 attacks with slimy fur.
But not just soft. It's just slimy. Okay guys, it's done. Let's see. Let's go. I found a creature. I don't know what creature we found. What is that? I saw.
SCP-600, also known as worm monster.
Okay guys, I don't know what is that. Was that the flower? The flower? Okay. What is that? It's so many. It's not moving. There's so many, bro. Look. So guys, I have a pet slug.
Pero pag feel mo, nababurn mo.
Ah! You pet me, bro! Oh! Ouch, ouch, ouch! He's scared. Guys, let's see what is inside, okay? What's that, a frog?
This is a frog, but I'm stupid. I'm not gonna say I got it there. Not gonna talk about it.
So I'm in the river, so I gonna... What is that? I found a rare fish over here. Where is this? Oh, there it is. Is that a betta? I touch it. Okay, guys, those creature are affected me. Look at this big size. Tree dragon. That many, but those eating ones are tree dragon small. That might be in the camera. He's smelling me. Oh, he's cute. And another one eats. Okay, guys. Okay.
Okay, guys. As you can see, there's so many. Look. Where'd they go? Hmm. They got. Okay. They're eating. Wait. I scared them. Wow. Is the healthy treats. This. Here's the another. Oh. That was massive, bro. That was massive. We need to get. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I forgot another creature here. A giant moss flower. Wait. Wait. I'm finding it. Here it is. The monster. Got those bodies. I got him. I gonna brought him. All those creatures I bought it, but not that monster. Okay. Okay guys, bye bye. It's so massive. Bye bye guys. It's alive. I'm not gonna cook it. I'm gonna keep it as a pet. Bye bye.